And speaking of political corruption, our legal analyst, Robin Sachs, is here with a local example. Final arguments are expected today in the case of 6 former council members in the city of Bell. And Robin, I think a lot of people would assume that this case is going to be a slam dunk. The question is it?
Listen, whenever you have jurors out there, remember, jurors are voters and drivers. All those people you want to run down in the street are the same people who are making a decision. So nothing is a slam dunk, just as sure as you don't know if the person in front of you is going to cut you off. But what we do know about this case is that there was one bit of consistency throughout this whole case, and that was the desire to throw Rizzo under the bus by all 6 of the defendants. And you see the pictures of all 6 defendants there, and I was there for the opening statements. And what you saw in the opening statements was a very nice, clean, tidy package of showing how the numbers just made it out to be that these 6 defendants were all a bunch of pigs stealing money from the city of Bell and the people of the city of Bell.
Well, of course, Rizzo, the city manager, who was making more than $1 million a year when you added in all the benefits and everything, he's the one, of course, who's been demonized through all of this, and you point that out. But the fact of the matter is, I mean, he couldn't have done what he did if, in fact, he did wrongdoing without some type of complicity with them, right?
Right. Well, and there's 2 problems from the point of view for the prosecution's problem in this case. Is first of all, you have one prosecutor who has one theory about their case, and while they would believe that Rizzo is responsible, they still have to prove each defendant guilty beyond a reasonable doubt in and of themselves. And you have it 1 versus 6, right? So you have 6 people who each one of them, each defendant, who each had a defense attorney, and many of those 6 defendants took the stand, are going to come up and all say, but he did it, but he did it, but he did it. So you have 6 times in repetition. And so that repetition may make the jurors sympathetic. Now, the question I have is, if you can't figure out how to read the minutes in a council meeting, and you can't figure out if what you're doing is legal or illegal, then why are you on the city council?
Yeah, exactly.
Very good question. Robin Sachs, thanks so much. Always good to talk to you and hear your perspective. It's 10:11 right